About a year ago, I opened up Godot for the first time, and after a couple of beginner projects, I gave up. Life got in the way. If only I had an avenue that would give me lots of free time. You know how you pay money to get a degree? What if I did that, but didn't attend the classes? With all this free time, I got to work. After failing to follow basic tutorials, I decided they weren't for me, so my next game will be made strictly with what I knew. Turns out I knew surprisingly little. I made the Google Dinosaur game, a basic prototype, but it taught me storing scenes in an array. This will be important later. Given how my game loads, I decided my next project will have more game feel, aka juice. Hence my Flappy Bird remake was born. It's clear that I got better at shaders, music, and gameplay, and it was fun watching people play. Things were looking up. Exams began, and I just made platformer after platformer. I would watch a tutorial for a game I assumed was easy. See, it was way more complex than I imagined, and ultimately gave up. I didn't know how to move forward, but that's when I found GD Quest Vampire Survivor. This tutorial was neither too easy nor too hard, so I decided to pour all I've learned into one final project. At first, I wanted to recreate the Binding of Isaac, but after seeing how complicated procedural runs can be, I decided to take inspiration from Rotator instead. So one big map with enemy spawners and increasing difficulty. I added basic enemies, fast enemies, snipers, tanks, psychics, exploding enemies, and an eldritch demon beyond human comprehension. This is the product of an entire semester's worth of learning. I'm proud of the music, gameplay, enemy AI, and everything else. I told you this will come in handy. Overall, I'm happy with what I've been able to do. I think this is how game dev is for most people. Slow-paced, frustrating, but ultimately rewarding. Watch this video here to see how I simulated the Fibonacci sequence.